A decade of Narwal innovation, an iconic design reimagined. Introducing Narwal Freo 20. Innovative flattened roller mopping, engineered to outperform conventional rollers. High-temperature washing removes bacteria. Powerful downward pressure tackles stubborn stains. Fresh water is evenly delivered, while residue is continuously collected away, breaking down even tough grease, bringing spotless floors one step closer. Reverse, extend, seamlessly reaching every corner. From hard floors to carpets, it automatically adjusts suction power to capture embedded dust. Powered by advanced dual RGB vision, Freo 20 understands your home, adapts the optimal cleaning strategy, gliding through complex layouts, reaching spaces other robots may miss. Beyond cleaning, Freo 20 cares for every member of your family and knows exactly when to quiet down. Automatic dust emptying, dirty water tank self-cleaning, heated mop washing and drying, designed to elegantly blend into your home. This is Narwal Freo 20, delivering cleaner floors you can feel with every step, thoroughly, seamlessly.